Hi guys, are you looking for the best dog sweater? In this video we will show the best dog sweater. So we are going to be taking a look at the best 5 dog sweaters you can buy. Each has its own features, advantages and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews and compiled a list of the best dog sweaters from reputable brands. After much research I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jessica Dog Clothes Dog Sweater. Jessica Dog Clothes Dog Sweater is a warm piece of clothing that will fit small dogs and cats in cold weather conditions. This warm winter sweater fits pet sizes XXS and XS comfortably to protect them against the cold winter season. Made from good quality polyester material, the fabric is comfortable to wear, light and smooth in texture and very easy to maintain. It is machine washable and dries quickly, coming in bright colors such as pink, purple, navy blue, and others. This pet outfit gives your pet a new level of cute. Its plain black and white smooth look with no logos or prints complement other accessories well and hence can be worn casually while walking or during a party. For moms/dads must measure their pet's chest girth and its back length and relies to the size guide to get the right size. Make your pet look cute, adorable, and warm this winter with the Jessica sweater in stock. Number 2. Queenmore Small Dog Pullover Sweater. Small Breed's Queenmore Pullover Sweater for dogs truly makes it possible to take your pet outdoors during the cold seasons while guaranteeing its comfort. This turtleneck sweater is manufactured using high-density acrylic yarns, thus is thick and very comfortable to wear for the chilliest days. The cable knit structure gives it the traditional feel on the material. The ribbed cuffs and the hemline, while the solid colors ranges from lawn green, bluish gray to baby pink, makes it one versatile style for both male and female dogs. Its collar is in the form of a turtleneck and it has a belly area coverage that is fully conducive to your pet's belly area. Its highly stretchy material provides comfortable and secure fit for the dog to move around while keeping the dog warm. It doesn't matter whether your furry friend is out for a walk in the cold or just laying on a cozy sofa, the Queenmore sweater meets all the requirements to become your pet's new favorite item of clothing. Number 3. Fitwarm Thermal Knitted Dog Sweater. Featuring the Fitwarm Thermal Knitted Dog Sweater in sage green, your small pet can have the 3 things that matter most: comfort, warmth, and style. Perfect fitting for breeds such as Bichons, Fox Terriers, Jack Russells, or Scotties, but applying universally. This jacket measures 16 foot on the chest and 12 on the back. It is always important to measure your pet's chest for the right size. Made of 20% fleece and 80% chemical fiber, it provides super soft warmth for your pet and lets him/her snuggle in cold weather. The thick turtleneck design helps to keep the neck area warm, whilst the fine gauge fabric is hard-wearing and has a luxurious feel, being appropriate in weddings, holiday celebrations, business meetings, and casual events. It is a convenient accessory in any woman's closet. The pullover arrangement is convenient when wearing it, and the cut at the belly is especially helpful when making frequent potty stops. Number 4. Kayis Christmas Dog Sweater. The Kayis Christmas Dog Sweater is a cute and functional clothing that will fit great during the holiday time with your companion. A product intended for toy breeds, the line comes in cute snowflake and reindeer prints to add holiday appeal to your pet's apparel. This type of sweater will provide a good amount of coverage. When measuring your pet for the sweater, use chest girth and back length. If your pet is still growing, or is a bit on the chunky side, size up. Made from spun high-density acrylic yarn, this sweater is soft-textured, stretch-knit and warm, though not very heavy. The specific design at the neck areas improves on the protection that can be afforded, while the absence of sleeves frees up movement. It was made with so much detail that it has a leash opening for leash to be clipped on, which affords a dog aesthetic design. Number 5. Kayis Christmas Dog Sweater. The product in question is the Kayis Christmas Dog Sweater. It is as festive as it gets but also very useful for the winter holidays. This sweater is for small dogs only and has cute snowflake and reindeer designs for that extra feel of the holiday season to your pet's clothes. This is a medium-sized sweater and will fit snugly. Always take the chest girth and back length of your pet before ordering and go up a size if your pet is still growing or a little chunkier. Made from high-density acrylic yarn, this sweater is soft to the skin, slightly elastic and warm, but it is not too thick and heavy. The turtleneck tries to provide extra protection for the neck, and the sleeveless style guarantees free mobility of arms. The material used to design it has taken time to also provide a leash hole for leash to be harnessed, and hence it is functional and fashionable. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.